What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome Cydia tweak that you must download. This tweak will completely redesign the phone app contact screen. This tweak brings a refreshed phone and contacts interface to the phone app and lets you pin at least 3 of your favorite contacts to the top of the app for faster access. Perhaps most importantly, the tweak displays contact option buttons next to each contact along with their contact photo, making it easier to get in touch with someone than ever before. Now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add my source. After adding my source, go to the search. Now here search for Bongwater tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. Now just go ahead and install it. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, you should know that this tweak doesn't have any options to configure, as merely installing the tweak is enough to upgrade the phone app's user interface. As you see, this tweak brings a refreshed contacts interface to the phone app. At the top here, you can add or pin at least 3 of your favorite contacts for faster access, so you can call your favorite contacts easily or send them message quickly from here. The best thing about this tweak is that it displays contact option buttons next to each contact along with their contact photo, making it easier to get in touch with someone than ever before. Alright guys, this tweak is really good tweak that will completely redesign the phone app contact screen and will give you this beautiful design. This tweak is completely free and you will find it in my source. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Cydia tweaks videos. Peace.